Best dad ever. What is it? It's a gift for your father to say, hey, Dad, I love you. Let's open it up. You're going to get a card. You're going to get some dices. And these are all packaged well. And each of the dice will have a saying on it. It's a little hard to see. One will say, your child. The other one will say, Dad, and so forth. You're going to get this utility knife, and you're going to get this travel mug. And on the travel mug, it comes in a velvet bag. It says, I will always be your child, my hero, your child, you'll always be my hero. Hot and cold beverage cup. This is a utility knife that is multi-purpose. It's got a whole bunch of screws and things you could put on. You have a Phillips screwdriver. There's a little release button on the side here that will open and close. It goes one particular way. You have two types of bottle and screwdrivers. You have this little handle over here that opens up to a pair of pliers. And it closes. And you have this knife. It locks into place, and this is the release mechanism. It's got serrated edges. Now I'm looking over this utility knife, and I'm trying to figure out, hey, how do I put these tools into place? I want to start to use this particular one, and I want to put this into here. So there has to be a way to put this on. Slides over the screwdriver. How neat is that? Best dad ever. Unbelievable utility knife kit. Everything that you see here for your father. A awesome gift just to say I love you. The smallest gifts means the world to all. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.